So how can you make the photos appear in front of the time on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so what you are referring to is a specific type of watch face which lets you select the photos from your gallery. And if those photos have a clear subject, you can make this like kind of 3D effect. But the point is that you basically can go to the watch faces or like the face gallery on the iPhone and locate the section for photos, right? So you get to pick like the photo. Ideally, you pick the time in here, like in the middle, and you get to pick like a different city, right? So you, for example, choose the photos manually like that. And if you have like as I said, a clear subject, like a person or I don't know what else it might be, you're going to select it like that and you can position it in this nicer way, right? So you'll be able to see that it's gonna like slightly like cover the time. It just like, of course, it will not block it completely, but you can see that it like changes, it kind of hides it behind a little bit. So it's just a nice 3D effect. You can still see the time, so it doesn't really hinder you in any way, but it just looks nice. You can also choose the font below. So there are like different font types available and also like the different styles and everything, right? But this is how it looks. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up for yourself. Thanks a lot for watching, and just like always, in case of any questions, leave them below. But that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.